Lilibeth P. Diaz, former Basic Ed Education teacher of National University.
Hi, I'm Marichu Alvarez. I'm faculty in the College of Tourism and Hospitality Management.
Dr. Ambrosio R. Enriquez Jr., College of Engineering.
I'm Maria Lourdes Oligario from the College of Education, Arts and Sciences, and currently I'm the director of the Language Institute.
So this morning, wala talaga akong idea, promise. I do not have any idea about this. Naisip ko lang this morning nung pagpasok ko.
Kumanta na yung isa dyan. Nag-solo.
Nagulat lang ako nung biglang may tumayo. Tapos naisip ko na, tapos may biglang kumanta. Naisip ko na, talagang inisahan nyo na naman ako, ha.
Talagang na-surprise ako. Kasi I was told only na we have to attend the seminar.
Nagulat ako. And then, of course, naging somehow na-feel ko na yung pagiging part ng Enyo community.
But anyway, I'm very thankful, marketing team, and also for the students. Thank you so much for your effort, guys.
Surprised and happy because it is a recognition pala of Teacher's Day.
It validates, no, yung passion ko to be a teacher. And I will never, forget this. Thank you so much.
Kayo yung reasons bakit ako naging isang guro. Sa lahat ng mga naging mentor ko, nagpapasalamat ako.
To my fellow teachers, Happy Teacher's Day, everyone!